All right, Costello, you charged with domestic violence, disorderly conduct, domestic violence, criminal damage, domestic violence assault. I'm going to order that you not commit any acts of domestic violence. No alcohol or illegal drugs. Do not have contact of any kind with Ava Mistus, and stay away from her home and workplace. You get a one-time return visit only with a law enforcement escort to get your personal belongings. I'm releasing you with these conditions. Your court date at Pima County Justice Court is October 28th at 10:30. And you are excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go out the door, downstairs, see what your mails. Cody, I'm too sure.
Hello, what's your name?
Cody.
Sorry?
Cody Allen Rose.
Okay, thank you. You have an arrest warrant out of Miranda Municipal Court. Warrant with charges of drug paraphernalia, driving, suspended, revoked pencil license, disobedience to police officer, reckless driving, failure to appear. And it looks like these were from this year. If I release you, will you show up for court?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Anytime.
All right, you are released. Your court date at Marana City Court is November 19th at 10 a.m.
Wait.
You're excused.
And Your Honor, if this was Mr. Gross, he's got a felony hold.
He does?
Yes, I'm seeing the jail
Hold on,
site.
we need to bring him back then.
I see he has a probation violation,
Okay, that's
felony hold.
not listed on here. What's his bond?
I see he's held without bond for the jail site, but I'm sure
Without bond.
the staff will confirm at the jail.
Okay, I'll note that he's got a felony hold. I'm still releasing you on the misdemeanor Obviously, if you're still in custody, the court date at Marana will be changed. All right? You're excused.
Have the door over there. Irvin. Run this one. There's no-
Yes.
Hello, what's your name?
Mary Urchin.
Okay, one moment. You are charged with domestic violence, criminal damage. We're going to order that you not commit any acts of domestic violence. You're not to have contact with Roberta Urton Anderson. Stay away from her home and workplace. You get a one-time return visit with a police escort to get your belongings. You are released, and your court date at Pima County Justice Court is October 28th at 10:30. You're excused.
Thank you.
Have the doors with the, for now.
Hello, what's your name?
Mary Jane Cornell.
Okay.
The Kleenex. I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I'm ordering that you not commit any acts. Oh, you're charged with domestic violence assault and domestic violence disorderly conduct. I'm ordering that you not commit any acts of domestic violence. You are released with that condition. Your pretrial conference at Tucson City Court is December 12th at 9 a.m. All right, you're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Up the door downstairs with mails. Opus. Opus.
Hello, what's your name?
Leandro Lopez.
Okay, one moment. You've got several cases in Tucson City Court that you've already been seen on. Cases that you have not yet been seen on. You were arrested today for obstructing highway of public thoroughfare. You were cited for possession of drug paraphernalia. This is from October 7th. And shoplifting, possession of drug paraphernalia from October 2nd, and you failed to appear on that matter. And then the remaining couple of cases that you've been seen on already, you failed to appear on September 19th. You have a problem with coming to court when you're supposed to?
No, I can make it this time, Judge.
Why didn't you
Just
make it before?
I was homeless and I have nowhere to stay at the moment.
You have a place to stay now?
Yes, same with the buddy.
Don't have any contact with alleged victims. Stay away from the incident locations. Do not possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs. You are released with those conditions. Your court date at Tucson City Court is November 14th at 9:30 a.m. You're excused.
Up the door downstairs with the mails.
What day is it? November 14th?
I cannot answer questions.
We'll get you a paper with all your court work out the door downstairs. All the court information. The cell. Yeah.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, what's your name?
David Costello.
Okay, David Costello. Let's see. All right, Mr. Costello, you're charged with domestic violence assault and domestic violence disorderly conduct. In order that you not commit any acts of domestic violence, you are released with that condition, and your court date at Pima County Justice Court is October 28th at 10:30 a.m. And you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Did Garcia refuse, or is there another reason he's being continued?
Garcia, Guaramina, that one?
Guaramina Garcia, yeah,
Yeah, she refused,
refused. Okay, thank you.
as well as Romero Molly.
All right, thank you. All right, your name, sir?
Carlos Varela Carrizosa.
The interpreter was here for this one, Judge.
I'm sorry? What was that? Oh, Spanish speaker, okay. We have the interpreter? I guess not.
He's here, he's just muted.
Oh,
I'm sorry, Your Honor. This is the interpreter.
okay, thank you. All right, just give me a moment to review this.
Certainly. Espere un momento, señor.
Sí, sí, sí.
Espere un momento.
Ok, está bien.
You're charged with domestic violence, criminal damage, and domestic violence disorderly conduct. In order that you not commit any acts of domestic violence. You are not to have contact of any kind with Beatrice Carasosa and Dora Carasosa.
La ficha de violencia doméstica, de daños penales, de agresión. Se le prohíbe tener contacto o comunicación usted con Beatriz Carrizosa y Dora Carrizosa.
If you live in the same residence, you get a one-time return visit with a police escort to get your belongings. If you don't live there, then that is not necessary. Don't go back there.
Si ustedes viven en la presidencia, se le permite regresar una vez acompañado de un escolta de policía para recoger sus prendas personales. Si no vive ahí junto con ellas, no hay problema, pero no puede regresar o tener contacto con ellas.
Ok.
¿Ok?
Sí, sí. No, me pregunta esa, ¿no tengo que tener contacto yo con ellos?
So my question is, I'm prohibited from having contact with them?
That is correct.
Correcto.
Ok, perfecto.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. I'm releasing you with the conditions that I mentioned. Your court date at Pima County Justice Court is October 28th at 10:30.
Voy a liberarlo de la cárcel con las condiciones que le acabo de mencionar. La próxima comparecencia será en el juzgado de paz del condado de Pima, octubre 28 a las 10:30 por la mañana.
I'm also
uh,
adding that you not possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs.
También le prohíbe tener posesión de licor o drogas ilícitas.
sí, entendido eso. Tengo una pregunta.
Understood. I do have a question.
Make it quick. I don't promise to give an answer. though.
Mi pregunta es si me sueltan, si yo voy a ver a mi juez o a abogado, o sea, cómo voy a agarrar yo o sea, para yo presentarme con ellos, para yo hablar con ellos.
So then if I'm released, how am I able to speak to the judge or to the attorney? How am I able to reach out to them and contact them so that I can arrange to present myself in court when I'm supposed
You
to?
will see the judge
Got it.
on your court date on October 28th at 10:30 a.m. Okay?
Okay.
Usted verá,
That's
Sí,
it.
sí, so no tengo que pagar nada yo.
usted va a ver al juez el día 28, en la hora y el día indicado, octubre 28 a las 10:30. Okay, I understand. Do I need to pay anything
And
to be released?
No, that will be at Pima County Justice Court. I am not appointing an attorney for you. If you want one, you need to hire your own.
Ahora, señor, no voy a... La próxima comparecencia será en el juzgado de paz, el día que le acabo de decir. No tiene que pagar dinero, pero usted va a dar al juez ese día, pero no le voy a asignar un abogado de oficio. Si usted desea tener un abogado, puede contratar su propio abogado usted mismo.
Okay, perfecto.
Okay, perfect.
All right? Thank you. You're free to go.
Bien, es todo. Puede retirarse. Gracias.
Muchas gracias, que tengan un buen día.
Thank you very much and have a good evening. Your Honor, that is the one matter that required a Spanish interpreter. May the interpreter be excused.
That's the only matter yet.
Thank you.
Line up right there. Line up behind them.
As I go along, which is what I've been doing, these misdemeanors. Sure. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Spring Dynhart.
Okay, one moment. You're charged with possession of narcotic drug, possession of drug paraphernalia. There is a statement that I'm gonna read to you. It'll be followed up by a question. Please answer either yes or no. You may be eligible to participate in a diversion program called STEPS that requires you to participate in a plan specific to your needs for a short time. If you choose to participate and complete the program, these felony drug accusations in your arrest report will be permanently dismissed without you ever being formally charged.
Yes.
Well, I haven't asked the question yet.
Oh.
I will read this with the proviso that I'm not promising that you are going to be released. I'm just reading what's printed on this form, because the likelihood is that you're not going to be released, but you can still participate in the program. Are you interested in getting released from jail custody now and learning more about the STEPS program at your next hearing?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we're gonna order no alcohol or illegal drugs. Don't drive without a valid driver's license. Don't return to the incident location. Steps hearing is October 27th at 9 a.m. The recommendation from the state is that in lieu of holding you without bond, they're recommending a $5,000 bond with pretrial services supervision if that bond is posted. We'll hear from defense counsel in reference to the bond recommendation.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay.
You're not gonna speak for me, right?
I can speak outside.
All right. 5,000 with pretrial services supervision if posted. And preliminary hearing is set for October 28th at 1:30. And I believe that does it. You're excused.
Your Honor, which office of the defense attorney pointed to her?
Public defender.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Door downstairs, go with Dino's. Dorothy. Let's sit right here.
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Daniel Paul Dorothy.
Okay, one moment. You're charged with criminal damage. Criminal order that do not possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs. Do not drive without a valid driver's license. Do not have contact with the alleged victim. You are released to the supervision of pretrial services. Cooperate with them. And your next court date is October 28th at 1:30. county public defender is appointed to represent you.
Your Honor, wouldn't it be 20 days out since he's being released?
Oh, yes, you're right. The date. November 7th. November 7th at 1:30. And it looks like you have a second matter. Okay, you're also charged with misdemeanor driving under the influence or driving or being in actual physical control of a motor vehicle while under the influence. This is going to be pretty much the same conditions: no alcohol, drugs, don't drive without a valid license, no contact with the alleged victim. You're released on that matter as well. Your court date at Pima County Justice Court is October 28th at 8:30 on the misdemeanor. You're excused.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Goodman. Good having you.
Good evening, Your Honor.
What's your name?
My name is Michael Goodman.
Okay. One moment. You're charged with burglary in the 3rd degree and attempted theft, means of transportation. Where's the lamp that was here? There was a lamp over here. Somebody took the lamp. All right, I'm going to order no alcohol or illegal drugs. Don't go back to the incident location. Do not have contact with the alleged victim. State is recommending release to pretrial services. You release the supervision of pretrial services along with the other conditions that I mentioned. Cooperate with pretrial services. Your next court date is November 7th at 1:30 p.m. and the public defender is appointed to represent you. You're excused.
Thank you.
Lynn.
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, sir. Lynn Jacinto.
All right, you've got several matters here. Just give me a moment to review. You have an arrest warrant out of Pima County Superior Court. The charges on the warrant: possession or use of dangerous drug paraphernalia. $500 bond is listed. The state recommends that I impose the $500 bond. And let me see what else you have here.
And Judge, she does have a new interim for drug charges, and I'm the supervisor of the STEPS program, and she is not eligible. I would not offer her the program, so you would just set a standard, whatever the appropriate PH date would be, depending on what you decide.
Okay. Just one moment. Don't return to the incident location.
When I ask for you in court, if just have a nice.
And there's no recommendation as to a bond on this.
Certain corrections can be zero.
There
Oh,
is,
yeah,
Judge, I
oh,
did.
yeah, there is. I see it now. 2,500 with pretrial services supervision in lieu of no bond. We'll hear from the defense in reference to the bond request.
And nothing further from the defense order.
809. 809, guys.
All right, 2,500 on that with
21.
pretrial services supervision if posted.
We're gonna. 21.
Excuse me, sir. The only difference is that, see, I'm trying to tell my public defender here that the only difference now.
You want to not talk unless you're talking to your attorney now.
Okay,
Okay,
so I've been trying to tell him, but he's just.
all right. So we'll do the warrant first. That's 500. Your court date is October 24th at 1:30. And no alcohol or drugs. Don't return to the incident location. Public defender appointed. And then on the new complaint, that one's 2,500. Pretrial services if bond is posted. No alcohol or drugs. Don't go back to the location. And that one is October 28th at 1:30. Public defender appointed. And then the one remaining, no, actually, I guess there are two remaining matters. It's this one. You have an arrest warrant on a shoplifting case, Pima County Justice Court, shoplifting, criminal trespass. You failed to appear back in July. Don't return to the incident location, no contact with victim. And I'm not holding you on that. Court date is October 28th at 8:30, assuming you are still in custody, which I suspect you will be, then that'll be moved to a later date. Okay, and the last item, you have a warrant out of Tucson City Court on a shoplifting and assault case from June of this year. You failed to appear. Bond on your city court case is set at $100. Don't go back to the incident location, no contact with the alleged victim, and no alcohol or illegal drugs. We're going to appoint the city public defender on the misdemeanor case. Video review will be, do we have a date other than October 28th, other than that? November something. Okay, November 4th at 1:45. On the city case.
I just don't want to be given another chance to go ahead and go do it myself. I don't have anybody out here to help me pay the bond.
Okay. All right, man. That does it. November 4th, 1:45 video review. Someone from the city public defender will be out to see you, as well as someone from the county public defender on your other cases. You're excused.
So am I staying in tonight? Am I being released?
If you post your bonds, you will be
Yeah,
released.
Just saying, I just don't have anybody out here to post my bonds, so that's what I'm saying.
Okay,
I want,
you need to talk to the corrections officials about that. I'll
And then-
contact someone to help you post the bonds. Okay?
but here's the thing, they're gonna tell me I have to talk to you because
Sir, that's all I can, I'm sorry, ma'am, that's all I can tell you. I can't answer any more of your questions. Okay? You're
call
excused.
me. The public defender that you guys put here don't even help.
All right, we are done. You are all excused. Thank you much. Sorry for the tardiness.
Thank you.
No problem.
Didn't know if I could do it, but I hoped I would. Yeah, hoped I would. I didn't know if I could do it, but I hoped I would. Yeah, hoped I would.